share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is a shabby vintage one. Again, I'm still using the papers, the digital papers from My Porch Prints, and I will link that below. I have used Grandma's Attic, I have used Shabby Chic Ledger, I think it's called. I've used some other bits as well. I've also used some ephemera from My Porch Prints, and it's called Rose Garden. So the shop will be linked below if you want to go over and check it out. This will also be listed in my shop for sale if you're interested. The journal measures 7.5 by 5. It has one signature. There are 84 pages front and back. I've used a paper bag. Had to cut the paper bag down to fit this one, because when the paper bags that I have, when I open them up, like lengthwise, they are about 8 1/4. So obviously this journal was a little bit smaller, so I had to chop the bag down a little bit more. And inside the in between the two bits that were cut, I've actually put some cardstock in there, so it's a lot firmer than my previous ones. Not that the previous ones are flimsy, but it's just, I just thought I'd try this. It just gives it a much solid feel to it. Anyway, it's all been stitched. I've used this paper on the back. Now it's got kind of some crinkling going on, but it will do with the paper bags. But it's all been Mod Podged. It's all nice. It kind of gives it a rustic look, I think. But it is all Mod Podged down, so it's nice and secure. There is a lace closure, which is detachable, and I've had to do this up, so I'm just going to leave it on and slide it off, because I already tried to do this video and then just got completely tongue-tied and couldn't think of what I was talking about. So yeah, I had to do it again. Did I say? I did say what it is here, because I've done the video before. I can't remember if I said how many pages. 84 pages front and back. So let's do the flip through. So on the inside covers, I've actually put some pockets. They are envelopes, which I've just like folded up and decorated. I've got a large tag. We've got another tag here, which has been coffee dyed, stenciled and stamped. Some ephemera here. Here we just have, I had to chop a little bit off of that because I ripped it when I was cutting it. So it's just like a small postcard. And then we just have this, which is really shiny, a little bit like mica powders in my coffee, so it's nice and shimmery. That's the word, shimmery. And that is just paper clipped on there. Here we just have another tag and another journal card, a little ephemera piece here. This opens up, folds down and flips out. Terri Wood idea, so Terri's linked below as well if you want to go over and check out how she does her pockets. They're easy peasy. She's got loads on there, and that doesn't want to go in. There we go. Got a paper bag and some dictionary page. This is from My Porch Prints as well. Some corner punching, fabric lace tabs. Papers are really kind of shabby. This was just a little journaling card, and I just made a little booklet, just stapled that up there. We've got a pocket here, and then this is a tuck as well. I've got a little butterfly here with some eyelash trim, and like a, it's not a ticket, but it's just like a fake ticket thing. Some ledger. The paper, I don't know if you can see that, but it's so shimmery. I'd tipped in loads this time, and the coffee's really dark as well. I really do like these pages. Here we have a corner flip up with a tag with stamping on there as well, and a flip. This is an idea from Climmy. Climmy is also linked below. Journal card. These have all been backed onto some white cardstock. Paper bag. So there's so much journaling space in there, as well as having your pockets and some decorative pieces as well. After all, I do, like, the purpose of me making these is for writing, for memory keeping. flip up. And that's a Rita Donnelly idea, and Rita is also linked below. And another little booklet, just coffee dyed or tea dyed paper. Little journaling card there. Love how shimmery this is. Here we have another envelope inside there, and large journal tag. Another flip idea from Climmy. Just pops in there, and that's the paper I used there. Little kind of ticket and butterfly there. Some lovely ephemera pieces from the Rose Garden ephemera kit. Another double pocket. It's just paper clipped closed. Flip up. And yep, glued it. So at the moment I was just trying to use up all the things that I had printed off from making the previous kits, because I do double print things and have things at different sizes, so I normally end up doing a couple of journals. The same theme. And in the back there we have another one, big tag, this lovely paper, another tag, postcard, two little ephemera pieces, and there we have it. So like I said, I would say this is shabby, vintage, rustic. Got a little bit of a few things going on there, and the lace. Terrible at tying bows. I watch other people do them and they just like do done, perfect bow. Not me. I just struggle doing them. I don't know why, but I do love this image. So anyway, like I said, all the links will be below. This will be listed in my shop. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.